Good morning, class. I'm Sabina, and I'm going to take you through herbarium techniques. And our objectives is by the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to 1. Define the term herbarium. 2. Explain the function of herbarium. 3. Describe the methods of collecting herbarium specimen. Are you seeing my screen? Okay. So we are going to define the term herbarium. And Agnes, what do you understand by the term herbarium? Yes, that's good. Herbarium is defined as the storehouse of plants, specimens collected from various parts of the world. Also, we can define herbarium as great filing system for information about plants both in primary form, that is the real plant, and in secondary form, that is from the information that has been published, pictures, and recorded notes. We are going also to define an arboretum. What do you understand by the term arboretum, class? Oh, that is good. That is one of the examples here in Nairobi. That is Nairobi Arboretum. Yes, we can go on seeing functions of herbarium. And one of the functions of herbarium is, yes, by using the botanical keys. And here, the botanical keys are devices used for rapid identification of unknown plants. Next. Yes, herbarium is also a store of reference materials, and they are arranged as preservation. Here, the term preservation is the act of keeping something in its original state. Also, we have herbarium as used in teaching purposes in learning institutions, for example, in colleges and universities. We also have the herbarium used in scientific field, that is for scientific purposes, and also for medicinal purposes, as some of the plants are medicines. Also, we have methods of collecting herbarium specimen, and plants can be collected in various places like the bones, and bones are places that are filled with water, and they are either natural or artificial. We have arboretums, as we had discussed before. We also have botanical. These are gardens dedicated to collection, cultivation, preservation, and displaying of wide range of label plants, e.g. Langata Botanical Garden here in Nairobi. Also, we have places like forest where these herbarium specimen can be collected. We also, and whenever possible, the whole plants, as you are doing the collection, you make sure that the whole plant, including the underground roots, should be collected. Also, branches and flowering structures should be included in the collection. Also, if a plant is too small, try as much as possible to show its size, and in case the plant is too large, It is best to collect as it can be mounted so as to show as many characteristics as possible. Also, we can name some ways of collecting plant specimens. We have methods. Yes. And the last one, Agnes? Yes. For example, digging. This is gently done and shake off the excess soil and collect enough individuals of the species to generously fill a barium sheet. Also, specimens made from woody plants should be climbed from the shrub, trees, and etc. Also, try to collect branches that shows both flowering and fruiting plants. Any question? Having no other question, I can leave you with an assignment. And this will be describe a procedure of pressing a plant specimen. You can do it in groups, and I'm expecting the answers next week before the lesson. Otherwise, I wish you a nice day and a very wonderful weekend. Bye.